Draftbit Honest Review. Watch before using. In this video, we're diving into Draftbit, a powerful no-code platform designed for building mobile apps. If you're someone with little to no coding experience, but want to create fully functional and customizable apps, Draftbit may be just what you need. With a focus on streamlining the app development process, Draftbit allows users to design, build, and launch apps without writing a single line of code. It's particularly ideal for entrepreneurs, startups, and businesses looking to prototype quickly or even build production-level apps without relying on expensive developers. Draftbit is all about user-friendly drag-and-drop tools. You can design interfaces visually and manage app functionality through integrations with popular APIs, data sources, and third-party services. The platform's real-time collaboration features are a huge advantage if you're working in a team, allowing everyone to make updates simultaneously. Draftbit supports both iOS and Android, so you're covered no matter your target platform. One of its key features is the ability to export your code, making it possible to further customize the app with actual code if necessary, or hand it off to a developer for additional work. However, let's talk about the pricing. Draftbit offers a free trial, but the subscription plans can get pricey depending on the features you need, especially for businesses that need advanced API integrations or increased app building limits. The cost is something to consider if you're planning to build more than one app or need ongoing access to premium features. But for individuals or small teams looking to quickly bring an app idea to life without hefty upfront costs, Draftbit can still be a good deal. Another potential downside is the learning curve. While Draftbit is designed to be no-code, it still requires some technical understanding to fully harness its capabilities. You won't need to know how to code, but being comfortable with basic app structure and logic will help you take full advantage of its tools. To wrap things up, Draftbit is a great choice if you're looking for a no-code app development platform that's flexible, scalable, and lets you keep full control over your app's design and functionality. It's not for absolute beginners, but if you're willing to invest the time to learn the platform, it can be a game changer for building high-quality apps. If you've been searching for an affordable, no-code alternative to traditional app development, Draftbit is definitely worth a look.